Now, we are going to discuss about a federated learning framework for breast cancer histopathological image classification. Then we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to detect or classify the cancerous cell which is occurred in breast by using histopathological images with the help of some deep learning algorithms. Deep learning is frequently used in medical applications such as detection of the type of cancerous cells. Breast cancer is a type of cancer that occurs mostly in females and is the leading cause of women's death. The cancerous cells are classified as normal or mild or severe. These deaths can be reduced by early detection of the cancerous cells. So, cancerous cells are detected by performing various tests like MRI, mammogram, ultrasound, and biopsy. The diagnosis of breast cancer histology images with hematolysin stain is non-trivial, then leads to and between the pathologist. So, with the recent advances in deep learning algorithms such as convolutional neural network and VGG19 have been successfully used for histopathology image analysis. Then finally, the system can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate. So, this is the overview of our project. Then we are going to discuss about flow of our project. First, we need to take input image data set such as breast cancer data set. So the data set name is histopathological images which we are collected from some websites like GitHub, Kaggle and UCI machine repositories. So the collected input dataset is carried out to pre-processing step. Here we can resize your original image and grayscale conversion. So grayscale conversion for converting your RGB into grayscale format. The pre-processed image is carried out to feature extraction module. Here we can estimate or extract the features from pre-processed image by using or calculating mean standard deviation. The extracted features is carried out to image splitting module. In this step, we can split the images into testing and training. The splitted image is carried out to classification module. Here we are implement the deep learning algorithms such as convolutional neural network and VGG19. So the class with the help of the classified data, we can estimate some performance as well as the prediction. So first we need to estimate some performance such as accuracy. So accuracy in a sense it is an overall prediction how our model predict accurately in terms of percentage. Then error rate. So error rate is the some misclassification how our model misclassify the data in the term of percentage. Then finally we can predict either the particular input image is affected by breast cancer or not. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. Here we are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Here we can choose one input image from your dataset. You can choose any one random input image from your dataset. This is the original image chosen from our dataset. This is the resized image because each and every image doesn't have a same size, so that's why we need to resize our original image. Then grayscale conversion. So grayscale conversion in essence we need to convert the gray into convert the RGB into black and white format. The next one is feature extraction. So here we can extract the features from pre-processed image by using mean variance and deviation values. The next one is image splitting. Here we can split the whole images into testing and training. So this is the total number of images, this is the total number of test image, and this is the total number of train images. Next, we are implemented the two different deep learning algorithms. One is CNN, another one is VG19. In common, deep learning algorithms have three layers. One is the input, output, and hidden. So, in input layer, we need to mention the size of your input shape for the corresponding input images, and in hidden layer. So, based on this algorithm, the hidden layer will be varied. The finally output layer. So in output layer, we can estimate the performance. So this is the result for convolutional neural network, and similarly VGG19, and this is the result for VGG19. So the final prediction identified as a cancer. uh, we chosen on input image at the beginning, so that image with the help of classification algorithm, it will be predicted like identified as cancer. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.